between the pit of a man's fears and the summit of his knowledge. This is the dimension of imagination. It is the area which we call the toilet zone. Okay, so corny intro over. I have no idea why I'm making this video, but I had to change the toilet seat, so I've already got the original one off, so I'm going to put it on and then take it off and then put it back on to show you guys how to do it. To start, gotta get the tools. All you're gonna need is a flat edge screwdriver and maybe some pliers, maybe a Phillips screwdriver. Just kind of figure out how yours works and see what you gotta do. So, okay, so first you gotta get into the toilet. We're gonna get our Phillips screwdriver, or not Phillips, flat edge. We're gonna get into this thing, and then, you know, this works differently for different brands and stuff, obviously, so just gotta figure out how yours get access. You just slip it in there and pry it open, basically. It's pretty easy. What we're gonna do is hold the nuts underneath in place so that it doesn't turn with the screw. I'm gonna unscrew it until I can get it with my hands. A lot of this is just common sense, you know, once you figure out how your toilet works, it's pretty easy. Yeah, that's nice and loose. Now let's get the other one. Alright, now we unscrew them by hand until the nuts come off. Alright, next, let's get the seat off. It comes out just like that. Sometimes you need to unscrew these things, like these just click into here, like, yeah, these snap in here. That means I don't have to unscrew it, but sometimes you can't get the nuts out until you unscrew these things, and they don't just like click in there like that. That's kind of nice. Then as you can see, it's nice and clean around here. I cleaned it earlier when I took the old one off. So yeah, take a wet paper towel or some baby wipes or something. Get the nasty, greasy stuff off so that it is worthy of taking a crap. And then we're going to put it on. To put it on, what you're gonna have to do is get these suckers open. There we go. Clicker open. Alright. Now, what these things do, oh crap, I gotta open the bag. These are our nuts. To those later, but what these things do is stick down through it, but they got a click up here like a, looks like a button, okay. And then they got a Phillips screwdriver thingy. Now we're gonna take the nuts, stick these things in the holes. State-of-the-art technology. It automatically lines up. And we're gonna take the nut. We're just gonna turn it. As you can see, it goes under, and all you gotta do is just turn it until it gets tight. I'm gonna get it hand tightened first, and we're gonna take our Phillips screwdriver here. So I'm gonna hold this thing in place, the nut, so it doesn't turn, so I can turn this thing, and then give it a little 1/8 turn, something like that. Oopsie. I do not have the surgeon hands, and that is plenty. And we just click these things in place, and we're done. Beautiful. So beautiful, it makes me want to sit down on it and take a crap. Why are these old ones so greasy looking? Ew. Alright, so I got the toilet seat changed. I'm sure I have disturbed a lot of mysterious fluids and dust particles flying around the air by doing this. And it seriously smells like mustard in this room. So I don't know what that is, but that's pretty nasty. Maybe it is mustard. Yeah, that's how you change your toilet seat. Everybody, stay positive. Enjoy your respective crapping experiences, and remember, B&M sucks. I'll see you guys later. Let's get the light. Ooh, it's dark.